Thank you so much. I'm your brother, so great. Let me present how Peter Obi is moving around Nigeria, visiting those Nigeria happened to, those who are victims of the gross irresponsibility of the leadership, of the inefficiency of the leadership, of the corruption of the leadership, those who are suffering in the hand of kidnappers, those who are suffering from one disaster or the other.
That's where the very fast situation, I don't even know how to start commenting. Because this is happening every day. How can you support this money? There are people around us. I think now, this one is happening somewhere. It's going to happen. It's all over the place. We can't control this.
Peter Obi is going around visiting them. Even in Abuja, where you have the seat of government, where people will come in, kidnap, kill, bring back dead body, dump it, and go without anybody challenging them. Peter Obi is going around, visiting those in Plateau, those in Ibadan, that suffered as a result of the explosion. Lo and behold, the man INEC gave victory to is far away France on a private visit. An elected president going on undisclosed private visit when Nigerians are dying of hardship, hunger, insecurity. Our president is enjoying himself in France on a private visit. God save Nigeria. We will continue to pray, and may God help us to organize ourselves and take back our country. God bless you.
I'm particularly grateful because the president called me. You have three musketeers that went for that election. The president has reached out to me. You have reached out to me. But my own party candidates, not even a call or a text message. I mean, I'm saying it openly so that our leaders will know that you have time for politics, you have time for governance, and you have time for humanity. So we want to say thank you so much, sir.